Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, Save Me, we will be covering the section of reading, in which, first of all, we will learn some new vocabulary words and their meanings. After that, you will be using those words in your creative sentences. And at the end, we will learn about rhyming words. So, open up page number 26 and let's get started. First of all, let us learn some new vocabulary words. Repeat these words after me. The first word is knees. 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 Trees. 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 Plenty. 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 Plant. Plant. Seed. Seed. Need. Need. Care. Care. Flowers. 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 Honeybees. Honey. Bees. Honeybees. And the last word is pretty. Pretty. Very good. Now that you know the new words, let's learn their meanings. The first word was knees. It is the place where your leg bends. Trees are tall plants with a hard trunk, branches, and leaves. Plenty means more than enough. Plant means to put a seed in the ground to grow. Seed is a round object that grows into a new plant. Need means something you must have. Care means to look after. Flowers are brightly colored parts of a plant. Honeybees are bees that make honey. And pretty means beautiful. Now learn these new words and their meanings. And after that, write these words in your creative sentences.